How to restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Hello guys, my name is Shahid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. So guys, now Instagram is having a new feature where you can restore your recently deleted posts. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Once you open your application, you need to go to your profile. So once you go to your profile, just tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, select settings. So once you select settings, then tap on account. Once you tap on account, just scroll down and here you will find the option recently deleted. So once I go to the recently deleted, no recently deleted content. So I will show you how it will work. I will go back to my account and I will select any of the post and I will just delete that one. So I deleted one as you saw, and then I will go back to the same, select settings and then account, and an account recently deleted. So here you can see this has been deleted a while ago and it's here, and I want to restore it. Just tap on the post and then the three-dot menu. Once you tap on the three-dot menu, here is delete. You can permanently delete that one, but we need to restore it. So I will tap on restore, and here if you deleted it from your profile grid, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you deleted it from your archives, it will be restored to your archive. So I will just tap on restore. So once I tapped on restore, as you can see, the post is already restored. Now I will go back and show you. I will just refresh this page, and as you can see, the same post is appeared here again. So this is how you can restore your recently deleted post, but that should not be no longer than 30 days. If it's more than 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. This is how you can restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel so you will get the notification of our new videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.